cooking with Grandma. Hawa is spending the day with her grandma, and today they're going to cook something delicious together.
Are you ready to make our special recipe today, Hawa?
Yes, Grandma. I can't wait.
First, they need to wash the vegetables. Grandma shows Hawa how to clean them properly. Now it's time to mix the ingredients. Hawa is being very careful as she stirs everything together.
Look, Grandma, I'm doing it.
Great job, sweetie. You're a natural chef.
Grandma shows Hawa how to crack an egg without making a mess.
Remember to be gentle with the egg just like this.
I'll try it next time.
Now the food is ready to go in the oven. Hawa helps Grandma place it carefully. As they wait for the food to bake, Grandma tells Hawa stories about when she was little.
When I was your age, I loved cooking with my grandma too.
That sounds so fun. I love cooking with you, Grandma.
After some waiting, the food is finally ready. Hawa is so excited to taste it. Hawa and Grandma taste their creation. It's delicious, and Hawa feels proud.
Yum! It tastes amazing, Grandma.
That's because we made it together.
After their delicious meal, Hawa helps Grandma clean up the kitchen. They both had such a fun time cooking together.
Can we cook again soon, Grandma?
Of course, my little chef.